Today we are going to learn how to determine the arithmetic mean of grouped discrete data. From the previous example, we will learn this calculation. We got the frequency table from the previous raw data set, which was this, and we are going to learn this calculation by the formula first. So this is the chart of I have written only the data, the frequency, and the relative frequency here. And there are actually two formulas. One, the mean from the absolute frequency, which is the multiplication of frequency with the data and all of their summation. So basically, what is this? The total sum of frequency here is 20. So we will multiply the data with frequency like 2 into 1, 3 into 3, 4 into 5, and this, and divide by the total sum of frequencies, and we will get our arithmetic mean. And another formula is the mean from relative frequency. This is the summation of the data into the relative frequency. So what actually it is, 2 into 0.05 plus 3 into 0.15 plus 4 into 0.25, 5 into 0.15, and so on. So you see from both formula we got the same result. And let's learn it how to do in Python. It's very simple. So first we have to take this pandas series of the revolution in order to make some another command. Let's uh, make this series into another take this series into another variable. So first let's we got our mean. It's the correct result. It's 5.3. So also we can determine our median. So let's check a median. So it's our median, the 5. And let's check it mod. Is 4. You can see that the frequency of 4 is the highest here. 5. 4 is the mod. So thanks for watching today's content. In the next lesson, we will learn how to determine the arithmetic mean of grouped continuous data or class data.